trade journal for March 28, 2024. So after two green days in a row, I get it. I'm red today, so a little very disappointing because the market will be closed tomorrow for Good Friday. So I really wanted to close the week with green. I'm still closing the week up 365, but I was hoping that I have another green day. So I go into the weekend a little bit happier, a little less stressed, but it's okay. So, today it was a slow day. Not a lot of setups. Only took 3 trades, so I didn't overtrade, which is a good thing all week. It's been about 3 trades, 3 to 5 trades maybe tops. So I cut down on the number of trades and just trying to trade my actual setups and trying to be more specific. So the first trade was NVDA. I believe. Okay, yeah. So where's the daily on NVDA? Did I not get it? Maybe I didn't get it. So let me just pull it up here. So not a whole lot going on with NVDA. It's basically right in the 20, and it continued to just bounce off the 20. That's not what I want. Right. So basically, I decided to try opening range, short, aggressive. I really just took it because Ed took it. He took the break, aggressive break below, opening range low. And I kind of questioned it, but I got into. I was a little discombobulated this morning. I didn't wake up early enough like I should. I was dead tired. It's hard to wake up, hard to get up. But yeah, I did get up maybe 6:15 and had to rush, so that wasn't good. But yeah, I had a hard time trying to just get my mind right. So I just jumped in with him, and we both got burnt on this trade. But he decided to flip it on the break above red to green, and he made a profit going long. But I thought that was a little too risky for me. Although, I may start taking that trade going forward. I don't know. But yeah, this didn't work, and I wasn't really feeling that trade too much. I was just out of sorts and anxious to trade something. So, anyways, to grade the trade, the entry was a B, execution, pass, setup, C plus, overall trade C plus. Let's see what happened. So there's NVDA. Tesla was the next trade. So I wasn't too sure about this trade. Trading Tesla today, I thought it might just ride to 20 as well and not provide much movement. But I decided to trade the stock. Now I did get in early. I did slip on my discipline. I got in on this candle, which, you know, prior 15, 20 minutes, I'm telling myself, if I'm going to trade Tesla, I only trade on the confirmation below this level. And sure enough, I switch back to this chart. I see it start breaking, and I jump in. So before confirmation. Now, the fact that it traded the next 5 minutes, started cracking below this level, kind of put my mind at ease, because now I was like, well, even if I had stayed disciplined, I would be in the straight. So, but before that, just seeing it crack and then start doing this was frustrating. And then even here, this candle action was a little bit frustrating. But I thought it's going to start working once I got confirmation. But sure enough, it just started trading back up, stopped me out. And that was that. I thought, no, not this. There was no other setup the rest of the day with Tesla. That's the deal with Tesla sometimes. To grade the trade, the setup is a C plus. My entry on this, C plus. Yep, this is a B. The execution, though, I guess I passed execution, but I didn't follow my plan exactly to wait for a close below this level. So that's that. And then RDDT, my only winner. And boy, it was tough. It made me work. So I thought about this, but this stock trades weird. This was a mini power hook. But it stock traded too weird. I didn't want to take a chance. Another mini power hook. But I just decided I'm going to try to play it safe. I got one more trade to go. If it's a loss, then I'm pretty much done for the day. So I enter here on the break below. And then all this happens. I take a mini nap for about 25 minutes. But yeah, it was frustrating. And we're towards the end of the day. I'm just thinking the stock is not going to make me any money. I almost added on, where did I almost add? Here. Then it pulls up. I'm like, oh, I'm glad I didn't add. Because I only had 150 shares. And if it was going to get to where I wanted it to go, it was not going to bring much profit. So I was thinking about adding, but I was glad I didn't. And then I just decided, well, I could just limit my loss here, or get down to break even. But I decided, well, sometimes the power hour kicks in. Now it's like the power 30 minutes, power 15, 20 minutes. And sure enough, the power 15 minutes or 30 minutes kicked in the last 20 minutes of the day. Then I started hitting my profit target, which my profit target was 49.50. So I set my limit order there. And then I originally wanted it at 49. But I decided to be more conservative given the support it had at this level. So 49.50, I took off half, 75 shares. And then it gets stuck around 49. I don't know what it was. I forgot, but it got stuck. So I pulled, oh yeah, I think I got stuck at 49.70. So I just pulled it and missed out on about 50 more bucks. So that's that. But I showed some pretty solid discipline. Discipline seems to be improving. It was hell holding through this, but I stuck with my plan. and luckily it worked out. I should have probably added here. Setup, C, entry, C, execution, pass, overall trade. I'm gonna give it a C plus, maybe I'm gonna give it a B, just for the simple fact I didn't get too rattled. I maintained patience all the way to the end, from what is this, 9 to 12:30. So just because of that, my emotional state, I'm gonna give myself a little kudos for that. But that's pretty much it. Down to 40 today, 243, and Reddit helped kind of save the epic collapse. And another thing I realized, just really putting things into perspective, I need to be real careful with how I trade as soon as the market opens, because I could hit my daily loss limit very quickly in a matter of 20 minutes or so by trading these big ass stocks, high price stocks, and getting whipsawed. So NVDA, next Monday, come Monday, I'm gonna be more disciplined, for sure. Not more disciplined, but I'm gonna try to be more ready to carefully select my opening range trade. But yeah, there wasn't much today. What other stock? MSFT, just garbage chart. What else? AMD. AMD's a difficult one to trade. But no good setup here. Could have maybe took a short here. But yeah, it's no good setups. What else? Netflix. Oh, Netflix had a setup. There was one other setup, yeah. Where was it? This one. 50 shares on this. Gosh, this trades like crap. I thought about getting in here before the long candle. If I got in at, let's say, 6:0, if I got a good entry at 6:06, let's say, I would have maybe, nah, yeah, I don't know, 6, yeah, this would have been frustrating. This would have maybe turned into a loss, or, yeah, but that's it.